Hi, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and today we're going to discuss whether the always-on display on the Apple Watch is worth it. If you're wondering if this feature is something you should keep on or turn off, then this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Ultimately, whether the always-on display is worth it really depends on your personal preferences and how you use your Apple Watch. There are definitely some great things about it that you should consider. One of the main advantages is convenience. The always-on display allows you to quickly glance at your watch without needing to raise your wrist or tap the screen. This is particularly useful if you're in a situation where you need to be discreet or if you just want to check the time or your notifications with minimal effort. Another benefit is that it reduces the need to interact with your watch as frequently. With the display always on, you can see essential information without having to wake the watch up, which can be a small but meaningful improvement in your day-to-day experience. However, it's important to mention that the always-on display does have a slight impact on battery life. It typically uses about 1–2% of your battery per hour, but in real-life usage, many users find that this doesn't make a significant difference in overall battery performance, especially with the more recent Apple Watch models that have improved battery efficiency. The feature can be especially useful during workouts. It allows you to keep an eye on your metrics or the time without interrupting your flow. Whether you're lifting weights, running, or doing yoga, having the display always on can be a handy way to stay informed without distraction. For those with the latest Apple Watch models, the always-on display comes built in, so you don't really have much of a choice. It's there by default. But if you decide that it's not for you, Apple does allow you to disable it through the settings, so you can conserve battery, or just prefer the screen off when not in use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you decide whether the always-on display is worth it for your Apple Watch, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech insights. See you later.